Let me tell you a secret. I was scared of English grammar. Yes, very scared. Tenses, prepositions, articles. They all confused me. I used to look at grammar books and feel sleepy. Sometimes I felt stupid. I thought, maybe I will never learn. I even thought, maybe English is not for me. But one day, something happened. Something small, but powerful. From that day, grammar stopped being my enemy. It became my friend. Yes, my friend. Today, I will tell you that story. Expect step by step. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Let's go on this journey together. I remember my school days very clearly. My English teacher always said, learn the rules, learn the grammar. But the rules were hard to understand. Past perfect, future continuous. So many big names, so many rules. I memorized everything before the exam. But after one day, I forgot it all. The next day, I was blank again. I felt sad. I felt like a failure. Sometimes I didn't even try. I thought, grammar is too hard for me. I thought, only smart people can understand it. But deep, in my heart, I still wanted to learn. I wanted to speak English with confidence. I just didn't know how. Then one day, something unexpected happened. I went to the library. I was looking for a storybook, but I saw a man sitting in the corner. He was reading a grammar book, but not with a serious face. He was smiling. I was shocked. I asked him, "Do you really enjoy grammar?" He looked at me and said, "Yes, because I don't just study grammar, I play with it." "Play with grammar?" I asked. "Yes," he said. "I learn grammar with fun, with examples, with real stories. Not only rules." That moment changed something inside me. It was a small idea, but it gave me hope. That night I went home. I looked at my old grammar books. I smiled and closed them. Then I picked up a notebook. I wrote, Day 1, present, simple tense. I didn't read 10 pages. I just wrote 5 sentences about my day. I wake up, I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I sleep at 10 p.m. That's it. It felt so easy. Next day. Day 2, past simple tense. I woke up. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I slept at 10 p.m. Just like that. I started learning grammar through my own life. I connected grammar with real things, not rules, from a book. And that made a big difference. I started talking to myself in English. Yes, it sounds funny, but it helped. I said, "What did I do today?" Then I answered in past tense. I went to the market. I bought apples. I cooked lunch. I watched cartoons with English subtitles. I paused the video and repeated the lines. I tried to say those lines with the same emotion. I wrote small stories. Very small, but full of practice. Like, yesterday, I visited my grandma. She gave me sweets. We drank tea and talked about old stories. And when I made mistakes, I didn't cry. I didn't give up. I smiled. Because every mistake was like a small teacher. My mistakes taught me more than the rules did. I didn't study for 10 hours. I didn't join expensive classes. I just made one promise. I will learn one small thing every day. That's it. One bets, one grammar point. One grammar rats, one example. One example rats, one new sentence. Slowly, I became stronger. In 3 months, I could use tenses easily. In 6 months, I started speaking better English. In 1 year, grammar was no longer scary. It became simple. It became normal. It became my friend. Then I learned about parts of speech. These are the building blocks of English grammar. There are 8 of them. Let me share. Nouns, names of people, places, things. Like teacher, city, book. Pronouns, words like he, she, it, they. They replace nouns. Verbs, action words like eat, go, sleep. Adjectives, words that describe nouns. Like Tall boy, red apple, adverbs, words that describe verbs, like walk slowly, speak loudly. Prepositions, words that show place or time, like on, in, at, before. Conjunctions, words that join sentences, like and, but because. Interjections, words that show feeling, like wow, oh no, hooray! I didn't try to memorize them. I just used them in fun ways. I made my own silly sentences. Wow! The red dog jumped on the table and barked loudly. That one sentence had 7 parts of speech. It became a game for me. And slowly, grammar became fun. My dear friend, listen to me. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be curious. Grammar is not just for exams. Grammar is for expressing yourself. Talk about your life. Use simple grammar. Make small sentences. Start with present tense. Talk about your day. I eat rice. I go to work. Then go to past tense. I ate rice. I went to work. Then future tense. I will eat rice. I will go to work. That's it. You're already learning. Make it fun. Make it your friend. Don't be afraid. Even if you make 100 mistakes, each one will help you grow. So now, when someone says, grammar is boring, I smile, because I know the truth. Grammar is not your enemy. It is your superpower. You just have to use it the right way. And if I, a scared, confused, shy student, can learn grammar, then you can too. Yes, you. You just need to take one small step today and another tomorrow, and then one more the next day. Keep going. Don't give up. Your English will become strong, your grammar will become easy, and one day someone will ask you, how did you master English grammar? And you will smile and say, let me tell you a story.